What's up guys, welcome to Kap Industries. My name's Russell and this is the video installation guide for a Kap Industries fire extinguisher mount and a fire extinguisher into a beautiful Chevrolet Corvette C8. Let's go install it. It's really easy, just a couple of hand tools and you then can bolt your fire extinguisher into the vehicle. Now in the video today, you'll see that I'm installing one with a hose. This is the one that we have on our website, but you can get your own extinguisher. Just make sure you use one with a metal cage. That metal cage attaches to the bracket. So let's go and install it. The tools you need is just a ratchet and a 15mm socket and two 8mm spanners. The 8mm spanners are for the nuts and bolts, the M5 high tensile nuts and bolts that come with the bracket. You just use your 15mm socket to remove the two seat nuts that are on the posts. Completely remove those, and you'll note that I've just scooched the mat forward a little bit here. Next thing to do is attach the extinguisher cage onto the bracket. See, the bracket has a lot of slots, so you can install most extinguishers. This one is a 1 kilogram extinguisher. After that's done, then simply slip it onto the two posts and put the factory nuts back on. You might need a little extension piece just so you can get your nuts back on with the socket. Then slip the extinguisher into the cage. And do up the little clip. Awesome, well thanks so much for watching the little video. As you can see, it takes about 2 minutes to install. Now this vehicle is protected with a fire extinguisher. Hopefully you never have to use it. But look how easy it is to grab. Open the clip, pull the extinguisher out. It's in your hand within 2 seconds. That's the beauty, you don't have to climb around looking in the boot or the frunk or anywhere else. It's just right here at your fingertips. So if you'd like to grab this one, just grab it on the website at Kap Industries, or check out all the other ones that we make as well, as we got so many out there. Thank you so much.